Hey everybody, so the sun is shining today. It's a beautiful day, and I'm going to show you another reason why it's a great day. My plane is ready to fly. That's right, all the work has been done. It's ready to do a test run and a post-maintenance flight. So sit your derriere on Perrier because we're going for RIP today. All right, I got a confession to make. Now, I could have done some drawn out series, kind of showing the how to put the aircraft back together and kind of document all the stuff that I wrapped up. But the reality is, I wanted to get flying. Plus, I was paying an aircraft maintenance engineer for his knowledge and skill, not to sit around while I do YouTube for a week. So we had one day to get this aircraft back together. We put in a solid 10-hour day, but we did it, and the aircraft is ready to fly today. We did a bunch of run-up checks, made sure everything was good, so now it's ready to take it up into the air. Now you can see here I've got the newly painted spinner, the cowl pieces on, the propeller came back from the overhaul shop. It was overhauled by Prop Works in Edmonton, Alberta. They did a beautiful job. Now I don't know if you can see this. I'm used to flight school stuff with nicks, dings, and filed edges, and this is, I'm so excited for this. Anyways, I got the heating pad installed on the bottom of the oil pan with a plug-in right here underneath the cowl. So basically in winter operations, I'll open up the cowl as you can see here. I'll have that battery minder installed anyway and run an extension cord to the heating element too to heat up the engine about 3 hours before I want to go flying. And like I said before, I'll rig it up with a cellular switch, and that'll be kind of in a later episode. But anyways, the heating pad installed just as per the instructions right on the bottom of the oil pan. It involved prepping the surface of the oil pan, taking off some casting ridges. There was some raised lettering on the oil pan that I had to file smooth, and then install the pad as per the instructions and seal it up and test it, and it was good to go. Now, I don't know if you can see, but during the pre-flight, I just noticed there's a lot of dust and dirt built up just from this aircraft sitting in the hangar for the past few months. Anyways, I'm going to pull it out, wash the aircraft, and then we'll tow it out to the flight line and get it ready to fly. So there it is, the post-maintenance flight wrapped up. Everything felt good. Everything seemed to work correctly. Now I'm going to pop the cowl out open and check under the hood, check over the engine, check the oil, pretty much check everything over again. After that, I'll fly into Medicine Hat. So the next part of the video will just be kind of some scenic flight stuff of my trip to Medicine Hat. Enjoy. Medicine Hat Radio, this is Piper Tomahawk, Golf Tango Zulu Whiskey.
Golf Tango Zulu Whiskey, Medicine Hat Radio, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Medicine Hat Radio, Tango Zulu Whiskey. I'm inbound with Golf from the southwest at 5,500 feet and approximately 15 miles out, looking for a full stop landing.
Tango Zulu Whiskey, roger. Runway 09, wind 070 at 10, altimeter 3018, squawk 4677.
Altimeter 3018, squawk 4677, Tango Zulu Whiskey. Medicine Hat Radio, Tango Zulu Whiskey is crossing overhead to join left downwind for runway 09.
Tango Zulu Whiskey, roger.
Medicine Hat Radio, Tango Zulu Whiskey is on left downwind, runway 09 for a full stop.
Tango Zulu Whiskey, roger.
Medicine Hat Radio, Tango Zulu Whiskey is on final, runway 09.
Tango Zulu Whiskey, roger, wind 060 at 7.
Medicine Hat Radio, Tango Zulu Whiskey's down and clear, taxiing over to the Bar XH fuel area.
Tango Zulu Whiskey, roger, you have yourself a great day.
You as well, thank you.